Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do your own acrylic color acrylic powders. Very easy. So I got this as a gift. This is Pigments and I have about 24 or 20 something of them pigments. You can get these on Amazon and I don't have the brand name, but it is from Amazon. And this pigment comes in this little bottles. You get a lot, guys, and they are full. So I'm gonna pick, well, let me show you guys all the colors. So these are the colors and they have names, like, let me zoom you guys in. So we have grass green, yellow, lemon yellow, and we have purplish red, and we have brown. Ooh, I like this pink. And we have azure, I guess it's blue, orange. So we have purple, then we have this type of blue, and we have red, peacock blue, coffee, middle green. We have fluorescent green, green, white, rose red, and we have yellow, golden yellow, and we have sky blue, and the last one is blue. So I think I'm missing some color because it's 24 and that was less than 24, and they are 0.35 ounces, non-toxic. Check the pigment before use. Okay, so I'm gonna pick 4 colors. So I have a little bit of a monomer here and here, because I'm gonna pick 4 colors, guys, and then let's see how these work. So I really like the pink one, the first pink, this one. So I'm gonna try pink. I'm gonna try azure, whatever color that name is. Let's try brown, and then let me try a weird color. Hold on, let me see. Let me try this one. Oh, my monomer. And it don't go down unless you push the bottle. Oops, that was 3 drops. Too much. So that was like 3 drops on this one, and we just shake it. So that's brown. Let's try red drops on that one. I guess if you want it darker, you can put more. Okay, and we shake it. And this one is the azure one. You have to shake it. You have to cut the tip. Here, 2 drops of this beautiful blue, and we shake. This one that we're gonna try is the lemon yellow. And be careful when you cut this so it don't splash all over like it happened with the other one. And then we're gonna put 2 drops on this one. About 3 to 2 drops I'm doing. I'm sorry, guys. 2 to 3 drops, okay? So let's give it a try and see how this works. clear powder here. So the way this is supposed to work is you dip your brush into the monomer and then into the acrylic powder. So let's do, this one needs to be shake more. Okay, let me put them back. Let me bring you guys closer. Alright, so let's try this crazy blue. I think we should mix it. Okay, let's try this blue one. Fingers crossed, it may work. Dip the brush like you will do with any monomer. Grab your powder and put it on your nails. Oh yeah, this is gonna work perfect, guys. This is gonna work. How exciting. Look, guys. Oh my god, this is amazing. Amazing. So, what do you guys think? This is so cool. And I'm using a tiny brush, so it may take a few beats. Oops. So there you have it, guys. Your own blue acrylic powder. Pretty. So let's do the pink one. And because the brush has some blue, so that's a bad thing though. So you make sure you clean your brush because the color can transfer. But I guess it will go away. Let's see. Yeah, it's going away. Okay, let's try the other one. And now I have to clean the brush so I make sure it don't transfer. Let's do the green first. Let's do the green first. And I'm gonna set it here. And the last one, let me clean this brush. Okay, so the last one will be the coffee one. So this is how they look now. And remember guys, if you want a more intense color, just put more drops of the pigments and you will have a more intense color. Also remember that I didn't put a top coat because I want to show you guys how exactly it looks. It looks like those jelly nail polishes, I'm not gonna lie. So if you add more drops of the pigment, then it will be a darker color. Just keep that in mind. I think this is a good way for you to do your acrylic colors, save some money. Let me know in the comments section what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram. All the links will be in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!